I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk, and I'm here at NYSE Pacific. Joining me today is Doug Winter. He is CEO and co-founder at Seismic. Doug, it's great to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Oh, it's a pleasure. So now, Doug, it's been a busy year for Seismic, from new product launches to award wins, and so much more. Are there any highlights you'd like to share with me?
Oh, it's been such a busy year. I don't know where to start, but we've had a couple of major product launches. We follow the seasons, so we had a big launch back in the winter. We had another one in the spring. We've highlighted a bunch of new capabilities around AI, our Aura AI that powers a lot of our product. Major enhancements there, taking advantage of all the innovation that's happening in that space. We've won a bunch of awards. Really excited to be on the Cloud 100 for the fourth time. Feels like a real honor to be listed amongst the best privately held cloud companies in the world. I think we're number 40 or something this year. Won the top in our category, the sales enablement category in G2 Crowd. Also exciting, featured in the IDC's report as leader in, again, the sales enablement category. A lot of great awards. Strengthened our team quite a bit this year as well. Excited to have Paige O'Neill join us as our Chief Marketing Officer, as well as a promotion from internal. Toby Carrington is our Chief Business Officer. So really been an eventful year, an exciting year for us at Seismic.
Oh, it definitely sounds like it. And you're not done. You recently launched a new headquarters in San Diego.
We did.
So tell me more about that.
We did. Well, you know, the world has changed so much in terms of what people, our team members, expect out of an office. You know, the days of everyone's in, you know, Monday to Friday from, you know, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., those days are gone. We went hybrid. We've never looked back. And so our new space, we're really excited. We created a space where people want to come and collaborate. And it's really collaborate first, work second. So spaces where there's whiteboards everywhere, where there's opportunities to, you know, get up and move around and be creative and brainstorm, pull in people who aren't there. So big screens everywhere with cameras and microphones, so that the teams can collaborate even if they're not in the room. You know, really excited about that. You know, just moved in a couple months ago.
Mm-hmm. Well, you definitely put a lot of thought into these new headquarters.
We did.
So now you're a global leader in enablement.
We are.
Tell me, why is it crucial for businesses to incorporate enablement into their tech stack, especially in the current economic environment?
Well, the current economic environment, I think, really just adds fuel to the fire that was always there. You know, you need to get more out of the people that you have in an environment where you can't hire, you know, at will, the way that you might have been able to in the past. You know, just bring in people left and right to solve all the problems. So, you know, enablement's about trying to get teams to be better and get individuals to perform better. You know, we've done an internal survey or external survey amongst our customers and the market at large. You know, the value of enablement, you know, has proven, you know, 9 out of 10 companies say, you know, that it's something that they use on a regular basis and that they're just relying on. So whether you're onboarding new employees, getting them to be productive more quickly, being able to roll out initiatives, you know, and change is something that's happening faster and faster, being able to roll out those changes and make them part of your field plays and your sales motions much more quickly, much more effectively, being able to measure results, actually see whether, you know, the plays that you're putting out there, the new products that you're launching, you know, are you doing it well? Is it being effective? Those things have never been more important than they are right now. And so we're really leaning into that. We're leaning into, you know, as you're getting more and more data available, you're collecting data on everything that's happening from your teams, from your customers, you know, being able to put that data to work, being able to take advantage of that and use AI to kind of understand what should happen next, what's being effective, who's being effective and why. You know, those things have never been more important than they are today. Mm-hmm. So really excited about where we are right now and the future that's ahead of us.
All right. Well, finally, you are co-founder at Seismic.
I am.
So tell me, what sparked you to start the company?
Well, you know, I had grown up in this is, you know, the second or third company that I've started and really observed an opportunity in the marketplace. We just felt that sales and marketing teams, you know, there was a gap between how they worked when it came to all things, you know, content and training and onboarding. And we thought that at the time there was no one who was really taking advantage of the power that the cloud had to offer, and that the data that was available could provide. And so we saw an opportunity that was really grounded in real business experience. You know, it wasn't us slip in the shower, hit my head, and have divine inspiration. It was really observations that we made from our customers at previous experiences that said, hey, this is a real need, a real pain point. And so we went after it.
All right. Well, congratulations on all of your milestones. And thanks for joining me on Flow
Thank
Talk.
you. I
It's great
really
to have you.
appreciate it and had fun.